Good afternoon, everyone. I think I hope everyone is safe because of COVID pandemic, and everyone would have got their COVID shots also, I believe. So I'm Dr. Sheila Nitraj, practicing in Safaskin and Aesthetics Clinic in JP Nagar 6th phase, which is located in South Bangalore. So today we are going to discuss about psoriasis, which I'm going to make the understand the disease better. What is psoriasis? Psoriasis is an immunomediated disease. That is, basically, it is characterized by inflammation caused by the dysfunction of the immune system, and it causes the inflammation all over the body. It may be a visible signs like plaques, which may look different for different skin types and scales on the skin. It occurs this occurs because the overactive immune system cell growth. Normal skin cells which completely grow and shed fall off in a month. With psoriasis, skin's own skin cells which falls off in 3 to 4 days of time. Instead of shedding, the skin cells pile up on the surface of on the skin. Some people report that psoriasis plaques will itch, burn, and stinging. Plaques and scales may appear on any part of the body, although they are commonly found on the elbows, knees, and scalp. The inflammation which is caused by the psoriasis can impact on the other organ and the tissues of the body, which the people experiences with other health conditions. 1 in 3 people with psoriasis may develop psoriatic arthritis. The signs of psoriatic arthritis, which include the swelling, stiffness, and pain in the joints, joint and areas around the joints and surrounding the joints. The psoriatic arthritis often goes undiagnosed, particularly in its milder forms. However, it's important to treat the psoriatic arthritis early on to help avoid permanent joint damage. The symptoms starts between the ages of 15 and 25, and it can start at any age, where men and women and children of all skin colors can get psoriasis. Okay, what are the causes and triggers? While scientists do not know what exactly causes psoriasis, we do know that immune system and genetics will play a major role in the development. One thing we do know that psoriasis is not contagious. You cannot catch psoriasis from another person. It usually, like something will trigger psoriasis, causes symptoms to appear or worsen. Triggers may vary from person to person. The location where it has been located and what types of psoriasis. So the psoriasis can appear anywhere in the body, even on the eyelids, ear, lips, skin folds, hands, feet, and nails. The plaques can be a few small patches or can affect larger areas. It's possible to have psoriasis plaques and scales in more than one location on the body at a time. There are five types of psoriasis. It is possible to have more than one type of psoriasis at one time and more than one type in a lifetime. Treatments may vary depend on the type and the location of the psoriasis. The life with psoriasis is been with chronic diseases. Psoriasis may affect any areas of your life other than your physical health. It may affect your emotional health, your relationships, and how you handle stress. It could even affect areas of life that you wouldn't expect, such as the clothes that you choose to wear. For some people, living with psoriasis can be a challenging. However, there are ways to handle those challenges so you can thrive with psoriasis. So, for all the psoriasis condition, so please consult your nearby dermatologist so we can help you out. It is not a threaten or anything. It is just only the patches where it comes on the body, and we can help you out with any type of patches on even the hands, palms, or elbows. There will be a localized psoriasis, there will be a diffuse type of psoriasis. First, you consult the dermatologist. Thank you.